to show you how to make the small applique letters from Kreative Kiwi. For this I'm going to be using a 4x4 hoop, 2 layers of washaway stabiliser per hooping, a matching bobbin and thread throughout, some T-pins, masking tape, my squizzers and my fabrics and batting are cut to size. You'll find a link to this design in the video description below. If you would like to win Kreative Kiwi loyalty points to the value of this design, then just keep on watching as details will be given later on in the video. We're going to start by hooping our 2 layers of washaway stabiliser, so place your stabiliser over the outer frame and then insert the inside one. We're now going to pin around the top edge of our hoop because that will keep our stabiliser from being pulled down between the 2 hoop pieces. So take your pin, any pin with a flat head on it will work, place it on the inside hoop, push it through your stabiliser, bring it round and back through the stabiliser again, and that will anchor it. You're going to do that on all 4 sides. Load your chosen letter into your machine, it doesn't matter which one because they're all stitched in exactly the same way, along with your matching bobbin and thread colour, and I'm going with green. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 1, and that's going to give you a placement outline for your batting. Place your batting over the outline and tape it in place. And I'm using up some scraps here, it's a good little scrap buster this. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 2 to secure it. Trim away the excess batting from around the edge of the stitch line, taking care not to cut your stitches. We're now going to place our fabric both front and back of the hoop, so turn your hoop over, place your fabric over the outline and tape it in place. Now do the same on the front. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 3 to secure them. Trim away the excess fabric from both back and front of the hoop, taking care not to cut your stitches. So turn your hoop over. Okay, so it's competition time. If you would like a chance to win Kreative Kiwi loyalty points to the value of this design, like, subscribe and share to support this channel. And tell me what these little 2 1/4 inch letters could be used for. This competition will close on Sunday the 7th of April at 6 PM Central European Time +2, and a winner will be picked at random from all the valid entries. So be sure to check back and see if it's you. Good luck and thanks for taking part. You're now going to pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 4, and that's going to do the satin stitch border. We're now going to free the letter from the hoop, so turn your hoop over and cut around the edge, taking care not to cut any stitches. We're now going to remove the excess stabiliser from around the edge of the stitch line. So take a Q-tip, dip it in with some warm water and just run it around the edge. And that's our letter completed. I hope you enjoyed this stitch along. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new videos as soon as they're published. Do pop along to Kreative Kiwi's Facebook group, there's always lots of ideas, help and inspiration there for everybody. And thank you very much for joining me. You'll find a link to this design in the video description below, along with lots of other information such as where I get my supplies and some discount codes for you as well. Take care and I'll see you next time.